I will tell you about what kind of quality of the soil should be there while we create these pots. So first thing should be kept in mind that the soil should be free from any kind of pesticides or chemicals. There shouldn't be any kind of farming done on those kind of things, and another important thing is that there shouldn't be any kind of color coating into it. Color mixing should not be there. If we are mixing any kind of colors into the soil, into the clay, then we are introducing the pesticides and the chemicals, which will ultimately get involved into your pot and get involved into your food. I have seen like many people decorate from outside just to give it a nice look, but it shouldn't be they should not be decorated from outside. They look naturally good. There should not be any kind of mixing. By mixing we mean that other particles should not be there, like any ceramic particle or any POP is there or any cement particle is there. That should not be there in while the production of these kind of utensils is being done. So basically the soil has to be free from any kind of other pesticides and chemicals. Another important aspect of choosing the right kind of clay is that the vegging should be done properly, and the soil which is like manually vegged gives out a very good result, and the pots which then are produced in a very sound manner. I mean, they give very nice shape and color. A different kind of soil is used for the creation of different kinds of pots. So this is very important part to select the right kind of soil for any kind of creating the vessel.